Hey guys, it's Mrs. Gershon here. Let's take a look at our problem for the day. Today, Gianna has a ribbon. So she cut the ribbon into equal pieces as shown below. So here's our whole. It says she uses 4 pieces of ribbon for a project. What fraction of the ribbon does Gianna use for the project? So we're looking for a fraction. So we need to go ahead and show that she used 4 pieces. We can do that by some shading. We can shade in 4 pieces. Now in this case, the part she used, the 4 pieces, that's going to be, as far as a fraction goes, that's going to be our numerator. So she used 4 pieces. Then we have to look at the whole. The whole has how many pieces? The whole has 6 pieces. That's our denominator. So it says, what fraction of the ribbon does Gianna use for the project? Then we have to explain how you find your answer. So we can say Gianna used 4/6 of the ribbon because you can say she used 4 pieces out of the whole. All right, so let's look at number 40. Miss Ross is making breakfast for her family. She makes 15 small pancakes to share equally, that's an action word, among 3 people. How many small pancakes will each person get? So we know our total is 15. Sharing equally means division. And she's dividing that among 3 people. So you can do a couple things. You can make the 3 people and you can put 1 in each one until you have counted up to 15. You can drop your 9 lines for 3s until you get to 15 and see what line that's on. You can just do straight up division if you know that, or you can also work backwards and do what times 3 gives us 15. So your answer there would be 5. So here I would skip count by 3s till I got to 15. That's on the 5th line. Or 3 times 5 is 15. Or I could go in and keep putting 1 in until I've counted up to 15. So now I have 5 in each, so 5, 10, 15 would give me 15. So moving on, Miss Ross also wants to give each person a glass of orange juice. If each person gets 8 ounces, how many total ounces of orange juice does she need? If each person gets 8 ounces. So I'm using information from the problem up top because this is a 2-part problem. So looking back up here at the top, I have to find out how many people there were. There were 3 people. So coming down here, we have 3 people. They're each getting multiplication, each, the action word. They're each getting 8 ounces. Again, if you need to, you can do your 9 lines for 3s, or you could do your 9 lines for 8s, your choice. I'm going to do 8s because it would be less counting. So on the 3rd line is the number 24 if I'm counting by 8s 3 times. So each person would get 24 ounces. All right, kiddos, check over your work, look at your strategies, and we will talk to you soon.